Have you ever wondered how a computer can read text out loud like a real person? Not just robotic voices from the past, but voices that can sound natural, emotional, and sometimes almost impossible to distinguish from a human. From YouTube videos and audiobooks to GPS navigation and virtual assistants, text-to-speech technology is everywhere. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down in a simple way.
What is text-to-speech? Text-to-speech, often called TTS, is a technology that converts written text into spoken audio. In simple terms, you type words into a computer, and the computer speaks those words out loud. For example, if you type, "Hello, welcome to our channel," a text-to-speech system can instantly transform that sentence into an audio recording. Today, millions of people use TTS for learning, accessibility, content creation, customer service, podcasts, videos, and much more. But turning text into speech isn't as simple as pressing a button. A lot happens behind the scenes. Let me explain how text-to-speech is generated in the following steps. Step 1. Reading the text. The first thing a text-to-speech system does is analyze the text. It identifies words, punctuation, numbers, symbols, abbreviations. For example, Dr. Smith arrived at 5 p.m. The system needs to understand that doctor means doctor, and that 5 p.m. should be spoken correctly. This process helps the software understand what the text actually means before speaking it.
Step 2. Converting words into sounds. Next, the system breaks words into smaller sound units called phonemes. Phonemes are the basic sounds that make up spoken language. For example, the word cat can be broken down into k sound, a sound, t sound. The computer uses pronunciation rules and language models to determine how each word should sound. This is important because many words can have unusual pronunciations that don't match their spelling.
Step 3. Adding rhythm and emotion. Speaking isn't just about saying words. Humans naturally change their pitch, speed, tone, pauses. Imagine reading these two sentences. "I won the lottery," and "I lost my wallet." They shouldn't sound the same. Modern text-to-speech systems add what's known as prosody. Prosody controls how speech flows, helping the voice sound more natural and expressive. Without it, speech would sound flat and robotic. Step 4. Generating the voice. This is where the actual voice is created. Older text-to-speech systems often sounded robotic because they stitched together small recordings of human speech. Modern AI systems work differently. They use advanced machine learning models trained on thousands of hours of voice recordings. These models learn pronunciation, intonation, speaking patterns, human speech characteristics. As a result, AI can generate entirely new speech that sounds much more realistic. This is why today's AI voices can sound surprisingly human. Step 5. Producing the audio. Once everything is processed, the system converts the generated speech into an audio file. This file can then be played, downloaded, edited, or used in videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and many other projects. And all of this can happen in just a few seconds. Why text-to-speech is important. Text-to-speech technology helps millions of people around the world. It improves accessibility for people with visual impairments. It helps students learn. It powers virtual assistants. It creates audiobook narrations. And it allows content creators to generate voiceovers without recording their own voice. As AI continues to improve, text-to-speech is becoming more realistic, faster, and more useful than ever before. Speaking of text-to-speech, if you'd like to try a simple AI-powered text-to-speech tool yourself, check out Nibo Voice. Nibo Voice. Nibo Voice lets you convert text into speech quickly without requiring an account or sign-up. You can generate narrator-style speech, dialogue-style conversations, multiple accents, male voices, female voices, children voices, different voice characters. It also includes a built-in library where you can access audio you've previously generated.
Whether you're creating YouTube videos, presentations, audiobooks, social media content, or voiceovers, Nibo Voice makes the process simple and fast. To try it out, visit nibovoice.netlify.app and try it out now.
So that's how text-to-speech works. What seems like a simple voice-reading text is actually a combination of language processing, pronunciation modeling, AI voice generation, and audio synthesis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone curious about AI technology. And if you'd like to experiment with text-to-speech yourself, be sure to try Nibo Voice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Explained by Nibo.